Hi everybody! So I'm not sure if you guys have ever had raw vegan chocolate mousse before, but I figured I'd share with you guys my version because there's a lot of raw foodies out there that have made chocolate mousse, and I know I have seen a couple of YouTube videos, and then of course even on blogs and everything. There's vegan chocolate mousse, but then I'm looking for a raw vegan chocolate mousse, and I wasn't looking for specifically chocolate mousse, but I mean, I've seen this dessert, it comes up a lot, so I figured, man, I really want to kind of try that. And of course I keep putting it off, and so I'm finally making it. I finally made it, and it was superbly good. It was like, the texture is so soft. It's kind of like frosting, but it's so soft and smooth. And so I figured I'd share with you guys my version, because a lot of the recipes out there, they add agave nectar, they add honey, they add all these other ingredients that I know, for me particularly, I don't find to be raw and that really shouldn't be consumed. So I kind of made my own version, and it's superbly good. So I figured I'd share with you guys. So let's make the chocolate mousse. So I'm going to add one ripe banana, one large ripe banana, one avocado. I've kind of got a small avocado, but I've got two here because this one's a little bit too small. I need a little bit more. So that's why I got two avocados, but it comes to one small or small medium type of avocado. And then I'm going to put 2 to 3 medjool dates in there and 1 large scoop of carob powder. And I'm going to use my hand blender because it's only going to make just about a cup, and that's horrid and wretched when you use it in the Vitamix blender because it's just not enough ingredients. But you most certainly can use it in your and put it in your Vitamix blender if you want, if you're making a large enough batch. But for this, I'm just using my hand blender. And this is kind of awesome. The seed is already cracking open to grow another avocado plant tree. That is so cool. I should plant it and try it. I know it probably won't work up here in Alaska, but you never know. Okay, there's the avocado, soft like butter. And there's the 1 large ripe banana. And there's my 2 large medjool dates to start off with. We can add the 3rd date in case we need some extra sweetness more added to it. And this is the raw carob powder that I use. I buy this off of Amazon.com, and I love this carob powder. So I'm just gonna put 1 large scoop in there, just like that. Okay, you guys, it's ready. Put it in a nice, pretty little bowl for you guys. But this is the chocolate mousse, and it is seriously like chocolate mousse. It is so dang good, and it's raw vegan, low-fat raw vegan. And what I ended up doing was using just 1 small avocado there, okay? And I ended up using just 2 large medjool dates. So, but this is, my goodness, this is like a meal. That's the one thing about raw vegan, eating raw foods, is it's like you're eating dessert at every meal. It is so fabulously fantastic, if you ask Miss Staci here, guys. That is so unreal. Like chocolate butter, for heaven's sakes. Wow, so smooth, creamy. Oh my gosh. But you guys know you can most certainly add different spices to mix it up if you want. You can most certainly use cacao. I know a lot of people like using cacao, and then you can sprinkle cacao nibs on top. A lot of people like doing that. But I also like taking my medjool dates and having a little dipping party. And oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Unreal. Heavenly. Wow. Get lots of that chocolate mousse on there. Alright everybody, so hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. Hopefully you try it out. Oh my gosh, it's so wonderful being raw vegan, being a raw foodie, eating raw foods. It's amazing, perfectly healthy for your body, nothing wrong with it. You can have dessert at every darn meal and you're completely healthy and happy, and it's just wonderful. So remember to love being raw, you guys. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys.